So, welcome everyone to Wyndham Vale Railway Station. So this station opened in June of 2015, and this station is on the regional rail link. And the regional rail link was built to separate regional trains from the Werribee line, meaning the section between Werribee and the junction where the regional rail link connects back up to the main line is exclusively freight, and also the overland runs on that section as well. And as you can see, the station looks a bit modern, and it's now 7 years old. And we're in the car park now. Right, so we're getting closer to the station now. Right, and so here's the bike rack. And nearing the entrance. Right. Here's the entrance. Right. Alright, this is the footbridge.
Geelong, South Geelong, Marshall and Waddle Ponds. Please stand behind the yellow line until the train stops. Then wait for people to get off before you board. The next train to depart from platform 2 is the 12:23 service to Waddle Ponds. Thank you for travelling with me. Hello passengers. You might...
Right, so we're on the ramp which heads down to the platforms, and over there are the platforms. Right, so we're continuing on to the platform level. Right, and that train that just departed was a Warren Pond service. So we're at Wyndham Vale Station, and this is a station on the regional rail link which opened in June of 2015. And this station is mainly served by Geelong services, by V-Line. And this station is 7 years old, but it's relatively modern. Yeah, the station is really peaceful, and the next train on platform 2 is in half an hour's time. So what does the future hold for Wyndham Vale Station? Well, there is a proposal of electrifying the regional rail link to Wyndham Vale, so that metro trains can now run here as more frequent services. And it would separate the metro services from the regional lines, adding extra capacity, and will also have the generation for electric high-speed regional trains, similar to on the HS1 section in the UK. So that'll be exciting. Next train on platform 1 is in around 5 minutes, and there's a lot of people on platform 1 waiting for that train. Okay, so we got a Southern Cross bound V-Line approaching platform number 1. So we're walking along platform 2. The next train on platform 1 is at 1:21 p.m. in 26 minutes. And the next train here is at 1:03 in 11 minutes. It'll be a service to Warren Ponds. Right, and what you can see in front of you is the station concourse. And here's the PIS display, which shows Warren Ponds in 10 minutes. Hi. And here are the steps, and over there's the ramp, and also the lift right next to it. And here comes the Warren Ponds service, another 6-car Velocity.
now.
So we're on the left at Wyndham Vale Station, and we're heading up back to the concourse level.
Concourse.
This is the other side of Wyndham Vale Station, which heads straight into Eureka Drive Park, which is right by this residential street here. And so we got the 1:21 p.m. Southern Cross service approaching platform number 1, and the leading set is a new generation Velocity.
Stopping all stations except for Little River and Corio. First 2 carriages are available if you're travelling up to Warm Ponds. If you're travelling up to Warrnambool, please board on the last 2. Please remain well behind the yellow line until the train completely stops. Please let others exit safely before you attempt to board. Thanks for travelling the V-Line this afternoon. Have a good day.
Alright, so that was trains at Wyndham Vale Station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more V-Line content. And share this video to all your friends. And yeah, that is me signing off. See you next time.